Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Yeah, it's Matt from the Real Toy Shop here in sunny Grimsby. And what we got today? Well, today's little bike, which we're going to do a no hit, no edit, one hit, no edit, walk around video of this little Fantic Caballero. It's the 250 flat track. Now, quite a, we're not going to say rare bike, but a lesser seen bike. I mean, a little 250 single, it's got some punch and it's a right laugh. Look at the size of the wheels on it, look at the finish on it. Let's have a look round it, let's strike it up. Let's poke the camera everywhere where your eyes would want to go. And this Fantic Caballero 250 flat track. Where do you want to start? Should we start at the front? Let's start at the front. Any comments? Anything you want to tell us about this bike? If you know something or you know of, different things or better things or something you'd have instead, just let me know. Drop it in the comments down below. Anything you think folks should know, get that in the comments down below, because me being no edit, I'll miss stuff out, get it wrong, I'll do all sorts of stuff. But what you will get to do is see a full walk round of it as if you're stood here with your eyes. So then if you decide, I need this, Matt, I need it in my life, well, you know how to go about it, you know you've seen it, and you know that, exact condition of it. Obviously we do delivery and stuff like that, we'll get to that in a bit. And this can be your receipt for exactly what will be delivered. So that's it, that's the Caballero emblem. Obviously 250 there. You can see, light reflecting on it. A couple of little extras as well on this flat tracker. We've got a set of Oxford handguards. And I say this all the time, keep that rain off the back of your hands, really helps keep your blood warm. Nice alley trees on there. Look at that, matte black as well, or denim black, whatever's your choice of names. So, looks really kind of, well, let's say sinister. Carbon heat shield on there, lightweight, and then we can see here, milled alley, footrest sets. Nice rear shock in there, can you see in there? Probably not, but let's have a little poke in there anyway. Looks like an alley rear swing arm. The gold brakes on there against the black looks really good. Now, we've also got our exhaust, can you see that? Fantic by Arrow. It's hard to see, to be honest, but let's move away and see. Yeah, you can just see that, Fantic by Arrow. Anyway, it does say that. Then we've got this protrusion that helps with European law. Most people do away with that protrusion and put their number plate there, but you still have the protrusion here because the law only applies to when it's sold new. So, if you were to take that off, you're not breaking any laws. 68 plate, what does that mean? 68, that is going from September 2018 to March 2019. All the details will be on the website, and we'll put a link to the website in the description down below, so you can go and have a look at the bike and get all the the nitty gritty that you might not get from this video. Scotoiler, and down there, look, that'll account for the chain and sprocket being really nice. But then we'll come into the mileage in a minute, aren't we, when we run it, and you can see the mileage and see why perhaps the condition is as. But I would expect the condition to be good anyway. She's not that old, is it? Don't think I've ever seen another one of these. Really don't. So, first for us, might be a first for you. You may have seen loads, I don't know. We've got a little battery tender connection there as well. Ready and waiting to receive. And then we've got some quite trick switch gear up here. And the ABS light lives on the top here, which is unusual, but you'll see it anyway, because the bike does have ABS as well. Plenty enough grunt to give you loads of fun on the commute, or if you do want to play off-road, well, you can. There's plenty enough power and grunt and everything else to give you a good laugh. Runs on E5 and E10, so that's kind of important these days as well, I guess. So you've got that option as well. I prefer to run everything on the E5 if I can, the better fuel, just because it just seems to be better. It's better for seals, it's better for most things, to be fair, but that's just my choice. If you've got the choice of the two, you may choose the cheap one. Drop it in the comments down below, tell me what you think about it. Rad guard in there, and again, condition of everything, all the nuts, bolts, headers there, look, coming down, all really, really, really nice. Nice and lightweight as well. You know, forget to mention that sometimes, but a nice lightweight bike. So if you just wanted to commute or you do want to play, it just is so light. I mean, I'm wobbling that about here with one hand, not even thinking about it. So if you are a bit restricted in what you can move about weight-wise and stuff, this is plenty light enough. Let's see from one of its crazy angles. Let's have a little wander around there and look at it from another crazy angle. Yeah, looks well, doesn't it? So what can we do for you on the bike? Well, if you've got a part exchange or anything daft like that, that bit's easy. All you need to do is nip here, if that zooms in, nip there. That's our website, nip on there, and we have a part exchange form, dead simple. Fill that in, 2-minute job. I've got all the details I need. Oh, back to that again. If you do want some monthly payments, some finance, that's the number. Numbers are all on the website, and the website link will be down below, as I've said. So if you need some finance, monthly payments, talk to us here. One of us will walk you through the payments. If you like the payments, then we can put you through. Not a problem. We want our finance providers. That's that side of things. Then we come to delivery. Well, here at the Real Toy Shop, we always have delivered our bikes for absolutely nothing. Mainland UK, of course, and it's usually my happy smiling face in the van that comes to see you and have a little yarn with you about your bike. Now, I understand not everybody is able to get to see us, but we are here. If you want to come and see the bike, that is no problem at all. Come and see us. Come and have a cup of tea with us. But if you can, and you're a long way away, this is what you need to be watching to make sure this is the bike for you. And if it turns up in any different to what we're videoing here, that's our problem. We just fetch it home. So if you're in a far-flung place, we may well use a dedicated courier, but usually it's me. Get on the website again. We know where that is now, realtoyshop.co.uk or .com. Get on there. That'll tell you all the details for delivery, timeframes and all that good stuff is all on there. So just covers some of the questions. Right then, shall we fire it up? Yes, I think we should, Matt. But before we do that, if you've got to ask anybody about this bike, your mother, your brother, your daddy, your lover, please get them asked first. We say in jest, but we do mean it as well. Always better have a long conversation with someone and you know they've actually got permission to own the bike, or failing that, just to hell with it and just buy it. All the handbooks and everything are with the bike as well. I forgot to mention that. Both keys, just as you would like. Right, anyone guess a mileage? There you go, 2,646 miles, nothing. Up here, we have an ABS light flashing today. Why is that? Well, that's because it hasn't done so many revolutions of the wheel or so many miles an hour. Here we have an ABS button, so you can actually disable that for when you're off-road and flat tracking. Yes, I know, good, isn't it? Right then, I need me clutch hand, so to start this one, so here we go. Here we go. So up here, it's the flashing ABS light I was telling you about. Well, that'll go out once you hit 5 miles an hour or so many revolutions of the wheel. Nice LED headlight there. That's pretty cool. I'm just going to flash the, it says, if I can find it. Ah, here we go. Round the back here, look at that. That's a different place. So, nice LED headlight to light up your way home. Sounds well, doesn't it? See if we can get you a little blip. Yeah, you ready? So that's your Fantic Arrow exhaust. Sounds well, whole bike sounds well, to be fair. Does sound good. Yeah, we like that. Good little bike. Do someone a marvellous job. So that's it, that's your bike. That's your Fantic Caballero 250 flat track. You want it in your shed? I don't blame you. How do I go about it, Matt? Well, number one, if you've got a part exchange, you know where to go to get that part exchange form filled out. Number two, if you need some monthly payments, speak to us here in the office and we'll sort you out with that. And number three, well, get it paid for. Let's get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. Appreciate you all watching, boys and girls. We've got dozens of other videos if you want to watch them and listen to me drone on about other bikes or even some crazy cars. YouTube thinks you might like that one or that playlist, but realistically, what we need you to do, if you've seen anything you like, is hit that one. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Don't forget, ask your missus first.